Nina and Mr. Smarty. Let's learn together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Nina and Mr. Smarty. Today we're going to learn how to count. Are you ready?
Hello, friends. I love counting. Let's have fun and learn together.
Let's start with the numbers from 1 to 5. 1,
One apple,
2,
two lemons,
3,
three kiwis,
4,
four bananas,
5,
five oranges.
Great. Now, can you count with us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wonderful. We are proud of you.
I have a great idea. Let's practice what we have already learned.
Great idea, Nina. I will hide the fruits behind the tree and you count how many I have hidden.
1,
That's right. This is one apple.
2,
Well done. Those are two lemons.
3,
Yes, these are three kiwis.
4,
Very good. These are four bananas.
5.
Wonderful. That's right. I hid five oranges under the tree.
You did a fantastic job learning to count today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be counting like a pro.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.